Is it time to buy or sell Amazon stock? In this video, we will explore Amazon in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 18th of July, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to remain informed about our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI and access free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be viewed as financial advice. Since the 28th of May, 2025, our system has identified Amazon as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 4.02. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced a notable gain of 10.46% since we first categorized Amazon as a buy candidate 36 days ago. This results in an average return of 0.29% per day since it received the buy candidate designation. The stock is positioned in the upper region of a strong upward trend in the short term, which typically presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $229.62 would first indicate a more robust rate of increase. The current 3-month trend points to a potential change of 24.09% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 16.29% to 26.01%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of 13.73%. The stock's performance could vary from negative 12.04% to positive 28.80% over the next year. In current terms, this would suggest a future price somewhere between $198.91 and $291.25. Our latest daily update for Amazon includes the headline, Amazon stock price up 1.01% on Friday. The Amazon stock price gained 1.01% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 18th of July, 2025. It rose from $223.88 to $226.13. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 1.51%. With a day low of $222.98 and a day high of $226.34, the price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 1.41% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has also increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical sign. In total, 5 million more shares were traded than the day before, resulting in approximately 37 million shares bought and sold for around $8.42 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $242.52, while the lowest price was $151.61. Currently, the price is 6.76% or $16.39 below the 52-week high and 82.67% or $1,079.07 below the all-time high on January 15, 2018, when the price reached $1,305.20. Amazon shares rose by 1.3% following a significant trading signal, reflecting positive market sentiment. The company continues to outperform the S&P 500 with a total return of 21% since earlier this year, underpinned by solid earnings and robust growth in key segments like Amazon Web Services, commonly referred to as AWS. A recent surge in earnings estimate revisions highlights an optimistic outlook, particularly as analysts anticipate strong performance in the upcoming second quarter earnings report. Optimism is bolstered by the growing potential for Amazon's advertising business and its advancements in artificial intelligence, which are expected to enhance operational efficiency and drive profits. Market analysts believe that the recent conservative guidance from management may obscure the actual strength in fulfillment efficiencies, suggesting that the upcoming earnings could exceed expectations, creating an opportunity for a rally. In the long term, Amazon's investments in artificial intelligence and its position in a thriving industry place it favorably among technology investments. As the connected television advertising market expands and shifts from traditional platforms, Amazon's strategic maneuvers could yield significant returns. This combination of robust performance, market confidence, and strategic growth initiatives could solidify Amazon as a strong buy, potentially driving its stock price higher, both in the short and long term. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 11th of July, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned Amazon an overweight grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 10th of July, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned Amazon a market outperform grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 8th of July, 2025, it was reported that Roth Capital assigned Amazon a buy grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 1st of July, 2025, it was reported that Bernstein assigned Amazon an outperform grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 2nd of June, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned Amazon a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to Amazon stock. They categorize the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as a strong sell. However, regarding return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Amazon. The Amazon stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, offering a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, as the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected around $224.65 and $216.35. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence, divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing along with the price, which is considered a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Tuesday, July 15, 2025. And thus far, the stock has decreased by approximately 0.0972%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots suggest a sell signal from 4 days ago. Bollinger points to a buy signal from 15 days ago. The short-term moving average shows a buy signal from 2 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 51 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 54 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a sell signal 20 days ago. The long-term moving average showed a buy signal 34 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages also pointed to a buy signal 29 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for Amazon. Amazon has strong support from accumulated volume at $223.30. This level could present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. Typically, this stock is traded at a substantial volume, and with minimal daily fluctuations, the risk is deemed low. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $3.36, which is a change of 1.51% between its high and low. In the past week, the average daily volatility of the stock has been 1.21%. Before we dive into the possible favorable trading levels for Amazon, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This is a relatively typical PE ratio, often seen in companies with established track records or predictable revenue streams. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 7th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $1.32. It's important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Amazon. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Amazon is at $226.35. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be an opportunity to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Amazon faces its first support level at $223.30. If this support level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Amazon from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were executed by Jeffrey Bezos, who bought and sold 7,448,619 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of negative 97.025. Overall, insiders purchased 213,995 shares and sold 15,493,107 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $217.24, reflecting a decline of 3.93%. This stock exhibits low daily fluctuations, which translates to a lower risk profile. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 3 days ago. Is Amazon stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators alongside a generally positive trend suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a fair chance for Amazon stock to perform well in the near future. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 21st of July, we anticipate that Amazon will open lower by 98 cents, starting trading at $225.15. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Do not base your investment choices solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day with warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.